Ready?
Action.
Let me smell it. Chocolate.
It's so good. I just eat it every day.
Holy
For my health.
moly. What the heck
You
got
know?
there?
Dog food.
Let's see that dog food.
Yeah. I eat it for breakfast.
All right. Looks like you got maggots in there.
I eat it for breakfast every day.
Looks like maggots, them yellow things there.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Pretty
Lordy, Lordy.
stinky, ain't it?
God, yeah. Where'd you get your outfit
Got it
from?
all in my teeth. All up in my teeth, man.
Where'd you get your outfit from? Look like old Jet.
What outfit?
Jeffro.
What you talking about, man?
You know Jeffro?
This is my
Beverly Hillbillies?
This is my daily grubs, man. I wear these every day.
Damn.
This is my job, you see. I working for the City Parks and Recreation Division.
You know what I need is that set of teeth there so I can
Oh yeah?
so I can put it on my Let me borrow them set of
You want them? Okay.
No, no.
There you go.
Oh God, Lord. Damn. Dang it.
Woo.
Let's pick it up. That's littering.
Pretty gross.
You guys are cool. Hey, you guys have a good evening.
Take care. Dog poo.